Hey, let me show you how I can take the best macro photos on the Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. So I'm gonna just quickly show you how it looks, and I'm gonna show you then how it take them. So this one was taken with the 50 megapixel mode. It looks not that bad, but in my opinion, the best one is this one, the taken with the 12 megapixel mode and the 4x zoom. And this is taken with the macro lens. It looks actually terrible. I'm not recommend you to use the macro mode because it's not working properly. So if you want to take this kind of the macro photos, you will have to just start by opening the photo mode. Remember to get good lighting condition, click and hold your zoom feature and go up to 4 times. Yeah, in my opinion, this is the best way to get some kind of the quality macro shots. You can just zoom in pretty close, but just try to catch the focus. And now hold your phone steady and take the photo. And as you can see, we can actually find some details right here, and that's basically it. This is my way to take the macro photos on this smartphone.